Virgo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Virgo. What's coming? You have the 6th house, Scorpio, Uranus. Oh, okay. Virgo, um, you will be paying more attention sa kalusugan mo ngayong October. Meron ditong unexpected na event in terms of your health. Okay? So, kung meron ka ngayong mga nararamdaman sa iyong katawan, so better to have it checked by a medical professional. Maari ring merong change na mangyayari sa situation mo sa work, sa trabaho. Let's say may magbabago sa organization, malilipat yung boss mo, or ikaw malilipat ka ng department. Ayan. So, maaring medyo mabibigla ka sa mga pagbabago na to. Especially especially pagdating sa health mo, sa daily routine. Pwede rin meron kang babaguhin sa nakagawian mo na pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo, no? So, maaring may kailangan magbago para maging in alignment ka dun sa mga goals mo. So, let's see what else. Kaya take care of your health, Virgo. Let's see. Oops. Maaari ring yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa pagsasaayos ng bahay, yung parang bigla ka na lang magkakaroon ng urge na mag mag move ng furnitures or magpa-renovate, ganon, or magpaayos, mag-reorganize, ganyan. Okay, let's see. Owl, seer. Okay. So some of you, maaring yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition is going to be very strong ngayong October. It's like you're looking for answers eh. Some of you, maaring merong mangyayaring change related sa inyong spirituality, sa inyong paniniwala. It's like spiritual awakening. You have coral, nurture. Yes. So this makes sense, no? Nurturing is taking care of yourself, your loved ones. So I think ngayong October, marami kang mga babaguhin siguro sa diet mo or sa activities mo kung dati hindi ka madalas mag-exercise. So ngayong October, you will make sure na nagkakaroon ka ng exercise. Pwedeng meron kang goal ngayon na mas maging healthier. You have timing, which is your moon. Timing is essential. Timing is essential to success, sabi nga. Or, kumbaga, pagdating sa mga plano mo, importante rin na alam mo kung paano tumiming. Okay? Example, magtatayo ka ng business mo. So, maganda siyang magsimula ng negosyo kapag Burr months, no? Kasi ito yung time na mas bumibili ang mga tao, no, ng mga products, nag-a-avail ng mga services. Yan. So, for some of you, very important ang timing. Alam nyo kung kailan nyo dapat gawin ang isang bagay at kailan hindi. So, let's see, Virgo. You have the 5 of Cups. Merong loss. Sorrow. Okay. Of course, hindi naman ito mag-resonate para sa lahat, but I'm also seeing here na maaring merong unexpected na mawawala ng work, na mawawala ng trabaho. So, mas maganda na parang ready kayo, lalo na yung iba nararamdaman nyo yan eh, na mukhang alanganin na yung kumpanya, nagbabawas ng tauhan. Oh, so dapat you have to prepare yourself na hindi lang doon nakaasa sa company na yon, but you also have other ways to earn money. This can also mean missed opportunities for some of you. Kasi minsan nakafocus na tayo sa mga bagay na nawala sa atin, nakakalimutan na natin kung ano yung meron pa tayo. So, that's a reminder for you na may mga bagay, sitwasyon, tao sa buhay natin na umaalis sa buhay natin, but ang importante is we still know what we have, and we will find joy or happiness sa mga bagay na meron tayo. You have the Nine of Wands. This is strength. Okay, to be honest, Virgo, medyo a little bit challenging yung October for you. But of course, just take this as a guide, no? Oh, 'di ba? Meron pa rin namang maganda. You have the Ace of Wands. This is new beginnings. Exciting new beginnings. Okay. So, ang nakikita ko rito, may mga blessings in disguise kayo, Virgo, na akala nyo nawalan kayo, pero actually, may ibabalik sa inyo or may ibibigay sa inyong mas maganda. Okay? You have the Page of Pentacles. Yes, so money, talent, skills. So, parang you are being redirected. Meron kang bagong direksyon na tatahakin. Pwedeng yung loss o yung pagkawala ng isang bagay, sitwasyon sa buhay mo, yun yung magbibigay ng daan sa'yo para makasubok or sumubok ng iba pang mga exciting things sa buhay mo, especially in your career. Yung iba, kaya yung iba mawawala ng work dahil yun yung way ng universe para sabihin sa'yo na, uy, mag-explore ka pa ng ibang options mo kasi marami ka pang options. Ganon. So, sa money, career, tinan natin, finances. O, diba? The High Priestess. So, this is about wisdom, your inner voice. So, ngayong October, pakinggan mo yung sinasabi ng iyong instinct, yung inyong intuition, ng iyong gut feel. Kasi you are divinely guided, no? Kung saan man yung path, landas na tatahakin mo for your career, even yung decision making mo sa business mo, sa investments mo. So, your love life, Four of Wands. Pagdating sa love life, there's happiness, there is contentment. I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron na kayong asawa, mas lalong magiging matatag yung relationship ninyo. If you are single, maaring you will find mga friends or connections na mararamdaman mo that you belong, no? Yung feeling mo, parang kapamilya na rin ang turing nila sa'yo at ganun din ang turing mo sa kanila. Maaari ding meron kayong celebration, event, special event na aatenan ngayong October na makakasama niyo yung mga kaibigan nyo, mga matatagal nyo nang hindi nakikita, kamag-anak. Oh, meron talagang loss, Virgo. This is Saturn and Pisces in the 12th house. Somehow, a bit challenging for you. Okay? Sabi nga kung yung reaction daw natin, yun yung importante sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin. How are we going to react? Magiging destructive ba tayo sa sarili natin? Sa self-sabotage ba tayo? Or we will use that experience to improve ourselves? You have Venus in Scorpio in the 8th house. Secrets. Okay, meron kayong tutuklasin about yourself, about the things na kailangan nyo pang malaman about your skill set. Pwede kasing, the Venus is about love, money, the planet of beauty. So, I think, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ma-uncover na secret para ma-improve yung inyong sarili, ma-improve ang inyong finances, or ma-improve ang inyong love life. You also have Mercury in Scorpio in the 8th house. Okay. Virgo. maaring meron ditong confrontation with someone that is close to you, na maaring malalaman mo, matutuklasan mo. This may lead to like separation. Okay? So, hindi ko na sugarcoat. But of course, if you don't like the reading, don't claim it. Just take it as a guide, no? Kasi generally reading lang to. Red and yellow Barbie. Harmony returns even after wrenching loss. Wow, okay. Virgo. Parang sinasabi lang dito na kahit ano man yung pagdaanan mo na challenge, may loss, meron mang mawala sa'yo, babalik yung kaayusan. Okay? Babalik rin yung kaayusan. So, it's part of our experiences kasi na may darating, may mawawala. But, in the end, maaayos rin. May harmony, may kaayusan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.